Want to vanish from the internet? It's not easy, but I'll show you how to slash your digital footprint, step by step. First, we'll delete your social media accounts. Then, we'll remove your data from search engines. Next, we'll tackle data brokers and opt out of their databases. Finally, we'll secure your online presence with better privacy practices. Stick around, this'll take some work, but you've got this. First, figure out what's out there. Google your name. Use quotes like this, your name. Check social media, old forums, even sketchy people search sites like Spokeo. Use incognito mode so your results aren't skewed. You'll be shocked what pops up. Look through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. Don't forget sites like White Pages, My Life, and Been Verified. Next, hunt down every account you've ever made. Think MySpace, old emails, random shopping sites. Log in, find the delete button, usually buried in settings, and nuke it. Can't get in? Email support. If you can't find the delete option, try searching for it in the help section or FAQs. Check JustDelete.me for shortcuts. It's a goldmine. This site provides direct links to the account deletion pages of various services. JustDelete.me also rates the difficulty of deleting accounts, so you know what to expect. Now clean what's left. On social media, delete old posts, hide your birthday, phone, all that jazz. People search sites, opt out manually. Each one's a pain, but worth it. This part's tedious. Grab coffee. Adjust your privacy settings to the max. Delete any old accounts you no longer use. For people search sites, use services that help automate the opt-out process. To stay low-key, go private. Set accounts to friends only, ditch real names for aliases, and use throwaway emails. No more oversharing, sorry, no geotagged selfies. Use encrypted messaging apps and avoid public Wi-Fi. Think Ninja, not Ghost. Always use a VPN to mask your IP address. Shred sensitive documents and avoid sharing personal info. Disable location services on your devices. Some things you can't erase, like public records or old web archives, but you can ask Google to remove sensitive stuff or beg the Wayback Machine to ditch old pages. It's hit or miss, but try. You won't disappear completely. To request Google, go to their removal form and provide the URLs of the content you want removed. For the Wayback Machine, use their Remove URLs feature and explain why the content should be taken down. It's hit or miss, but try. You won't disappear completely. Aim for obscurity. That's it. It's a grind, but every step shrinks your digital shadow. Start with what bugs you most. Social media is a big one. Drop a comment. What's your first move? Like and subscribe for more DIY hacks. Remember, your privacy is in your hands. Take control and stay vigilant. Hit that thumbs up if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying safe online.